Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Luxsaan, and today we're going to be checking out a silicone case for the iPhone 15 Pro line. But this is available for the entire iPhone 15 series as well as iPhone 14 series, 13, 12, as well as the 10. So that is really nice. You can still pick up these silicone cases. The plus side about these silicone cases, they only retail for $13 compared to Apple's cases that retails for $50. $50. This is the really low end side. This is actually a really sturdy case with some good features. So yeah, let's just begin with the video. So this is the packaging itself. As you can see, we've got the little branding here, ORNARTO phone case for the iPhone 15 Pro, 6.1 inch. At the back, dream, focus, and joy. Let's get more simple pleasure. There's some more details about the company and stuff like that. But let's open this up. So this case only retails for $12. And you can pick up this for so many of the different iPhones, going all the way back to the X. So imagine how many different options they have. But the good thing about this company is they have a huge, like a huge range of different colors, which is amazing. So it doesn't matter if you want a dark green, light green, blue, black, pink, yellow, they have the options for you. So that is really nice. But I've got the black one here. So let's just get this out. Inside we have this card here. As you can see, simple pleasure. 365 days of warranty, as always. One of their plus sides. Of course, if you have any issues, you can contact them, email them. And of course, you're welcome to follow them on TikTok as well as Instagram. And you're also welcome to follow me on Instagram, TikToks. Those links will be in the description. So go and check me out there as well. But yeah, let's have a look at this. These are stickers. This is nice. Gives them like cute stickers. Got like girl sitting on a window. We have a butterfly. Simple but nice. Let's have a look at the case here. So I have gone for the black option, as you can see here. But these cases are available in so many different color options. So it doesn't matter what your favorite color is, I'm sure they will have an option available for you guys. So that's really nice. So this is a liquid silicone case, just like the Apple case, pretty strong. And on the inside, we do have microfiber cloth. Look at this. This is so nice. So this case does feature 2 layers of construction, of inner line construction, to make sure the case is pretty strong in case you drop it. Of course, this case is not like military grade drop protection, but for your daily stuff like that, off the desk and stuff like that, you should be getting a decent protection, which is nice. So this feels really nice, isn't it? You can see here, this case does feature anti-fingerprint. I just love that. Like, look, nothing. Like, see, you're getting no fingerprint from my fingers. Look, nothing. Look how clean this looks. So I'm doing so much things to it. This case, it does have anti-fingerprint. It's easy to clean and is gentle on the skin in case you get like skin allergy or stuff like this. This case should be fine. This is skin friendly. And this looks nice. So the inner side does feel nice, but let's try with the phone on. So I've got the iPhone 15 Pro here in the beautiful natural titanium color. This is so beautiful. If you haven't watched my unboxing video of that link will be in the description, so go and check that out. But yeah, let's go in with the volume rockers, like I always prefer. Ooh, this fits. It's really nice. This is really nice, I have to say. In this case, this feature a 1mm raised lip for the cameras. So that is really good. Fully protected, covers it really nice. So that is really good. Front, you actually get 1.6mm raised lip. That is insane because most of the cases I've reviewed, they're like 1 millimeters. Like 1 or 2, there's like 2mm, but this is 1.6. At this price print, that is really good. This is a really nice lip. Nice and decent. That is nice. to say this, it feels nice in the hand. So of course, at this price point, we are losing one thing, and that is MagSafe compatible. This case is not MagSafe, but wireless charging will still work. So if you have a standard wireless charging, it will still work. So I've got the Anchor Mag Go here, but you use it as a standard and it works fine. No issue there. You can see MagSafe not working. It's not like it's still there, as you can see, but it's not as strong, so it will fall off straight. But wireless charging works. So if you have a wireless charging pad, any of those, you should have no issues. But MagSafe is not compatible, so just keep that in mind. But for this price point, I'm not going to complain about MagSafe. Like, this is nice. Let's just try the button. So power button, that's nice and clicky, responsive. No, it's not that hard. That's fine. Some cases actually, the hard side when it comes to these silicone cases where the camera buttons are not cut out, actually with the case, they sometimes are pretty hard. Something a bit rough, it takes some time and then you'll get used to it. Let's try the volume rockers. No issue there. Action button works fine. And this is nice and responsive. I like that because in some cases, button tends to be a bit harder, like it's a bit more squishier, hard to press. But then it's nice and responsive. Pretty sensitive, I would say. So for $13, I'm not gonna complain here, guys. If you guys just want a nice, simple case, I think this is really nice. Of course, we do have some good lip protection at the front as well as the back, and of course, we do have that dual layer of construction for the toughness. So in case you drop it, you should be fine. And of course, the lip at the front is raised 1.6 millimeters, which is really nice to say. But look at this. This, even now, there's nothing on the back. It looks so clean. I like that because I've had so many silicone cases, dirt, oil, fingers, fingerprints. It just gets on. Like, let me just try. Oh, look at this. This is not pick up any sort of dust. And that's impressive. Because I know mostly silicone cases, they get dirty, like stains, dirt, everything, like microfiber things just from your clothes and everything would just stick onto the case. But this, look at this. Nothing. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I'm really impressed with this case. For $13? This is really nice. I have to say, I'm impressed. For $13, this is a really nice case. You got your lip protection, the microfiber cloth on the inside, so you don't scratch your phone and stuff like that, keeping it soft. It's nice. This is nice. And the good thing is that you can get this in a huge range of colors, like probably getting to match your clothes and stuff like that. Like for each day, if you want a dark one, light ones, neutral ones, they have a huge range of different colors, which is really nice. So instead of buying the upper ones for $50, you can probably pick up 4 of these cases for the same price. You guys are a heavy user of MagSafe and you rely on MagSafe in your car, your nightstand are all MagSafe. So this, just keep that in mind. This case is not MagSafe compatible, so just keep that in mind. But for wireless charging, you have no issues. And of course, if you're just using your standard port, there's no issue. This have a decent cutout, as you can see on the bottom, as well as for the speaker growth. So no issues there. But yeah, guys, this is a very simple case. So if you're looking for a very simple, elegant, sleek case with a bit of protection and available in a huge different range of colors, do check them out. The links will be in the description. But if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of iPhone coverage of cases, accessories, MagSafes, smart home techs, gaming, stuff like that. So make sure you are subscribed. And of course, if you like the video, leave a like. And of course, guys, let me know in the comment section which cases you're rocking right now. Are you using a silicone case, MagSafe, wood, leather. Let me know in the comment section if there's any specific cases you want me to review. But yeah, guys, as always, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.